In the topic of the usage of the definite article the. In my previous sessions, I told you that it has two pronunciations, the or the. Before vowel sounds, it is pronounced as the. Before consonants or consonant sounds, it is pronounced as the. For example, the uncle, because you, uncle. But the chair, because ch. The and the. Today, I'll give you 5 rules of the usage. The meaning of the word the. What is the meaning? There are 4 meanings. Note down. This, these, that, those. Singular, plural. For example, the book may be this book or that book. Likewise, the books may be these or those books. Any doubt about this? Have you understood? Yes. Now, coming to the next point, general, particular. General, particular. Now, with general things, we don't use the. For example, the gold is a precious metal. This is wrong because this is generally used. The is not used with general things. But use the with particulars. Particular ones. The gold we bought yesterday. Which gold? You should give the reference. Then you can use the gold we bought yesterday is correct. So don't use the with general references, but use it with particular references. Any doubt about this too? General, for example, breakfast is ready. General breakfast. The breakfast we ate together. This is correct. There is a reference. So, general, particular. Next comes here P. Yes. General, particular. After that, purpose. Note down, purpose. Purpose. Primary and secondary. Yes?
So can we use the for sky, sun?
No, I'll give you another rule there. It has another rule. Unique things in nature, we have to use the with them. But we are dealing with only 5 rules today. Purpose, there are 2 kinds of purposes. One is primary purpose, secondary purpose. Don't use the with the primary purpose. For example, he is going to the school is wrong. He is a student. It is his primary purpose. Don't use the there. He is going to school is correct because his going is primary. He is going as a student. So, with the primary purpose, don't use it. I am going to the school to pay the fee of my son is correct. The school, because I am not a student. So, with the primary purpose, don't use the. Example, I am going to the school to pay the fee of my son is correct because it refers to the secondary purpose. Primary purpose is he is going to school. Don't use the there. Next. Primary and secondary is over. With great books, B is for books, great books. The Quran, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Vedas. We have to use the with the great scriptures. The word scriptures, you should know it. Scriptures. Great books are called scriptures. Mahagranthagal. Example, the Bible, the Quran, the Upanishads, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Books. Next, N-M. Newspapers and magazines. The Illustrated Weekly. The Times of India. Yes. So, N-M is for newspapers and magazines. The last one, vehicles. Names of the vehicles. For example, I am traveling by the Mahalakshmi, but there is no girl beside me. The Mahalakshmi refers to the train. The Queen Elizabeth may be the name of a ship. We use the with vehicles. The Hampi Express. The Hampi Express to Bellary, the Shatabdi. So this is about the usage of the definite article the. So general, particular. This is primary purpose, secondary purpose, great books, that is scriptures. This NM means newspapers and magazines. The last one, vehicles like train, bus, aeroplane, etc.
Sir, we use the only for secondary purpose, not for primary.
Yes. Any doubt?